Oftentimes in divorce situations, the party's most valuable asset is a business. Well, that business, if it was started during the marriage, is generally marital property, and the court's job is to equitably divide marital property. But how do we determine what the value of the business is? Whether it's a huge business like FedEx or a small, locally owned business. Business valuations can be complex. Business valuation experts will be required, and those business valuation experts will sift through the company's documents, interview employees, and come up with a valuation of the company. As you can imagine, oftentimes the spouse's values of the companies differ greatly. What are some of the approaches that business valuators take in determining what's the value of a company? These are complex issues. Generally, there are three business valuation approaches. The first approach is the income approach. It generally values a business based on some form of expected income stream. The second approach is the market approach. That's the one that's most common to clients because it's generally used in real estate situations. For example, you compare other houses to your house when determining what's its value. That approach is the same. You compare other businesses to your business to determine a value. The last approach is the asset approach, where valuators will simply look at the company's assets and debts and make a valuation based on those two factors. Business valuations are very complex. It requires intense document production, and it requires an experienced family law advocate to guide you through that situation. You don't want some run-of-the-mill general practitioner helping you. You need somebody that sat first chair and handled business valuation cases. Often, the most valuable asset the parties have is that small business. The value needs to be right. You need somebody with experience to help you through that process. Give me a call and we can sit down today and talk about your business. Contact us today at 901-537-0010.